Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute. So as you can see, it's a beautiful new day, and today we're gonna be making some delicious chicken and spaghetti. So this chicken is chicken breast. Yeah, so we are going to be making that with spaghetti, and I am not very sure about the correct name for this meal, but I'll just call it chicken breast with spaghetti. So I'm using all these spices: ginger, garlic, mixed spices. Yeah, this is a special spice for chicken. It's called chicken biryani, and I have soy sauce, salt, and all that. Yeah, so let's get the video started, guys. I'm going to mix and mix and mix and mix and mix everything all together and add some oil. And honey, of course. I feel like honey makes chicken get a whole different taste. It makes, chicken to taste really delicious because of that sweet taste it has. So I really like adding honey in almost all my chicken meals, as long as it doesn't have soup. I always love to use honey. Just before I forget to mention, I am cooking in my auntie's kitchen. Yeah, so she's just here next to me, and then I mix everything together. Give it a nice stir. Make sure all the spices and the honey and the soy sauce mix up nicely. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I'm so excited. Can't wait to taste this meal with you guys. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so I turn on the fire and add oil into the pan and heat it a bit. I already preheat my pan, so I'm just adding oil. And this is not a smooth pan. It's like the pans that you use for, it's like something for grilling. Yeah, because it has that rough texture. So I pour in all my chicken and make sure I spread it nicely to make sure everything is well placed in the pan so that the heat gets through nicely, since this is soft chicken. Yeah, you have to do that to make sure all of them cook equally. If you leave some of them like on top of others, the below ones cook fast. To the pan, though I'm using a non-stick pan just to be sure. I have to turn everything, and since this is boneless chicken and really tiny pieces, I just want to make sure nothing overcooks or burns. So everything everything is turning out really perfectly. I'm so happy, and now I have to cover it a bit so it steams and cooks in there as I prepare my hohos, capsicum in other words. So I'm using is it capsicum or red bell pepper? Yeah, I'm using the red bell pepper and yellow and the green one. I think the other name is also capsicum. Comment down below and let me know if I'm correct. I'm cooking the chicken on low heat. Yeah, so for the capsicum, I am using half of each. The red one, yellow one, and green. For the green one, it's too small, so I think I'll use all of it. I need to wash them before I cut them because it still has seeds inside, and I don't like cooking the seeds for some reason, but just my preference. Let me know, guys, if you use the seeds or you don't like me. For me, I never use the seeds. Yeah, I like when it's just clean and empty. Got the rest, but I hope you enjoyed the video, guys.
No.
Have a good one.